Hey y'all, today I'm making my chicken soup. First, I clean my chicken with white vinegar. I make sure I get all the fat off. These are the seasonings that I use. I go ahead and I make sure that I rub them into my chicken real good. I like to combine all my other ingredients in the pot that I'm cooking in. So I go ahead and I coat the bottom with olive oil. I add my chicken and potatoes, my carrots. I use corn. Oh, forgot them. I also use a cabbage. I cut it up in small pieces. I use chicken broth as well as vegetable broth. I also use a Lipton mushroom mix and some parsley on the top, and then I coat it with a teaspoon of garlic. I preheated my oven to 385, went ahead and put that in there, and these are the results.